Look at this man's creativity, how he creates a peaceful and enjoyable place under a tree. First, she lays out several rows of wood as a base and nails them in. Then you put the base under the sticks and it makes a row taller. Then it's the turn of the second row and several pieces of wood are nailed as a base and reinforcement. And she builds foundations and builds stability with wood. After nailing the wood, it's time for painting and finishing. And now you can easily place your belongings and food on the table and enjoy the view under the tree. Thank you for your prettiest looks. You deserve the best.